Please stand and put your right hand over your heart for the Pledge of Allegiance. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, for liberty and justice for all.
Hi everyone, happy T-Bird of the Week. I can't believe it, but just like I said last week, we are coming towards the end of the school year, but we are not going to give up now. The end of the school year is so very important. It's really time to get our attitudes in check and put everything into action as we finish the year strong. What does that mean, boys and girls? A couple weeks ago, I spoke with the 8th graders of why we do the things that we do. It doesn't matter how old you are and what grade level you're in. Why do we come to school? To learn. Why do we want to learn? To make us successful. Why do we want to be kind to others? Because when we show kindness to others, we see the smile that it goes on somebody's face, and we want to continue to make people feel good about themselves and even for ourselves. So there's lots of reasons we do the things that we do. We have the color run to raise funds for our school. These are the whys so that we can give back to our school. Why do we want to continue to be in the route of being successful? Because that's going to show who we are, and that's how we build character, that's how we learn, and that's how we continue year by year to grow and mature in a more positive way. So instead of thinking, oh, this is the end of the year, let's really continue, T-Birds, to make this year count and make every day count. That means you show up, you come with a good attitude, if things are hard, and that's okay, things are going to be hard, especially new things that we struggle, but also ask for help during those times as well. So there's lots of opportunities out there for you guys. So I want you to take advantage of it and make sure that you are talking to your teachers and to your partners and to each other, and even to myself, Miss Menino, Miss Hong. All of us are available to help you throughout the rest of the year. With that being said, everyone, have a wonderful day and week, and I will see you soon. Bye, everyone.
For me, I really like corn.
What do you like about corn?
It's corn! A big corn with knobs. It has to choose. I can
A promise. When the bell rings, we start. When we are challenged, we think. When the work gets difficult, we exert more effort. One team, one goal. Thunderbirds soar with pride, excellence, and commitment.
What's your color? I wanna know. What's your color? I wanna know. I wanna know. I wanna know. I wanna know. I could be red, or I could be yellow, I could be blue, or I could be purple, I could be green or pink or black or white. I could be every color you like. I could be red, or I could be yellow, I could be blue, or I could be purple, I could be green or pink or black or white. I could be every color you like. I could be red, or I could be yellow, I could be blue, or I could be purple, I could be green or pink or black or white. I could be every color you like. What's your color? I wanna know. What's your color? I wanna know. What's your color?
Expectations. Be responsible, initiate good safety, respect yourself and others, demonstrate preparedness, and strive for success.